In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center align text in Notion. If you've been using Notion, you may have noticed that aligning text can be a bit tricky since it's not a direct feature in the application. However, there's a simple workaround that will help you achieve that centered look you're going for. First up, you need to open a page where you'd like to center your text. You can do this by navigating to any existing page within your Notion workspace or creating a new page by clicking the New Page option in the sidebar. Once your page is open and ready, you'll want to focus on creating a layout that allows for your text to be centered. Now that you have your page open, let's bring in a column structure. This is where the magic happens. Start by typing in the / command, followed by the word column. So that's typing a column into your page. This command prompts Notion to display options for different column layouts. Here, you'll want to select the 3-column option, which will give you a balanced structure to work within. Once your columns are set up, you'll notice 3 distinct sections on your page. These columns will serve as our guides. Now, click on the 3rd column, the one furthest to the right. We're using this column to adjust the spacing and align the text to the center. After clicking on the 3rd column, it's time to focus our attention on the center column. Click on the middle column and begin typing or dragging your text into this space. As you adjust the text by typing or dragging it, you'll notice that it remains centered relative to the empty columns on its right and left. By using this column method, your text achieves the appearance of being centered without needing any additional tools. It's a clever way to work within Notion's framework and showcase your content in a centered format. It's important to note that while this workaround centers text visually in terms of layout, it may not function as true center alignment across different screen sizes. Always double check your layout on different devices to ensure your text appears as intended. Finally, since columns can affect how content is displayed, feel free to adjust each of the columns' widths by dragging the edges until you find a balance that feels just right for your page. And there you have it, a simple way to center text in Notion using columns. This approach is flexible, easy to implement, and perfect for keeping your text looking clean and organized. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful Notion tips and tricks.